No.
He videotapes
I got an app
for the TV.
No, I wish.
Wait, no. But you can put it. But you send it to them.
I could put it on YouTube or anywhere.
There's no news station, right?
Yeah. This is like an app I have. I could also.
You got social media?
I wish. No, this is just an app.
You don't got social media?
Mm-mm.
There should be one, though.
But what are you filming on?
That's just in the phone.
Stop looking at me. What are you looking at? I have purple? Where?
Hey, man. That's right.
A motorcycle crash. Never drive fast, even with a motorcycle. Or my friend Fernando says, don't drink and drive. Drink and then drive. Not at the same time. Shit, dude. Can you believe it? Motorcycle crash? Look at that shit, dude.